Hello, hey you guys, happy Tuesday. I am Melissa Miller and I am joining you guys live tonight here on the Essential Stencil page. And this is what I've already prepped my background. I used a color here called Baby Blue. You can see it was 62 cents is how much this big bottle cost me. I've probably had it for a long time. So this is what we're gonna do. And you guys know, I've told you this and I'd like to show you this too. This is, this right here, this little picture, Essential Stencil is so helpful with the things that they package with their stencils. So what I try to do is look at the packaging. So if that is you, just know that it's okay. You can copy. You can copy. So we are going to lay this down first, and I'm going to take a look at it. And we're going to do this because I think sometimes you guys get like me, and I think we're sometimes just a little bit intimidated by the layered stencils or by something that we're not used to maybe doing. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use, so I know this guy is going to be mostly, I'm going to start here with my pavement, and I'm probably going to use a little bit of a paintbrush as opposed to doing the whole thing pavement. I'm going to go ahead and kind of, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this layered part down because this is what's going to go right up over like this. So it kind of comes right down to the bottom of his body. So what I want to do here is I don't want to have to fill in my whole penguin. So I'm going to take this and hopefully, yes, I have a pencil. You knew I was going to do pavement. Well, the black paint I have for in here is just, it's a multi-surface satin kind of paint and I don't care for it. So you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and make a few little marks here that kind of give me a guide of, maybe I will, where I want my pavement to go. So I don't have to fill in the whole thing. Well, my lead is coming out. Okay, we're just going to use my lead. I just need a little guideline. So that just kind of shows me where I can go with my pavement paint. I'm just holding down the edge. This is not a stencil brush, so just keep that in mind. You could do this with a stencil brush. But for some reason, I don't know why, I guess I thought that this might work better with a regular brush. Okay, so I'm just going right on around this a little bit, just in case I need the white to, I don't want it to not cover. So I think we're good. So I'm going to take and place this right back on here. And just make sure, oh yeah, we are golden. Okay, okay, then we're going to dry it with my dryer. So from the inspiration picture, this is all another blue color, kind of a turquoise. So I have kind of pulled this color, which I feel like might look really good. I'm going to look at the bright blue and see if I want to go the bright blue route or if I want to go the turquoise. So we're going to do all of the snowflakes and the words in bright blue. Okay, so I'm using bright blue. I'm going to pick up some paint in my brush all the way in there and get a good, we're going to go with berry. We're going to make his little feet a berry color. So that is what I just used, is metallic berry. We're going to grab the second layer. This is a layering stencil. And we are going to add the body. So this is going to be the next step. And then we'll do all the fun stuff, okay? All right, and so we're going to put white in here. How cute that is. Okay, so time for his little head. His little face goes right here. Here we go. Oh, these are the stripes. I've just got to remember that. So I'm going to do the base. And I think I'm going to do the base blue. Okay, let's take this down. And let's do some pink on here. So even if you get stuck there, you have help. So this is going to need a little bit of love to go on solid. And while that's drying, I'm going to take this off of his little face, and we're going to do the eyes and the nose. So the eyes, we're going to use the same pavement, and I'm going to grab one of my little dome brushes for it. And then we're going to use this one again for his nose. The little, same as his feet. I didn't even have to get any paint on there. I'm just using what was left in my brush, and that's going to work. But I'm going to give his eyes a little bit of a little more coat. I think it's going to be cute. So we'll have to figure out, we'll drill a hole in the middle of it, up at the top, and then we'll find a cute bow of some kind to put on him, and then she'll be able to just switch it around at winter time. Now we're going to do the stripes. Oh my gosh. I'm so cute. So cute. Okay. Okay, let's add the stripes on this little thing, on the little scarf. Okay, and we're using bright blue. So we're going to use my same brush. I've got some blue on here. We are going to just stripe this little thing. I don't want to go up there, so I'm just going to swirl right over it. How cute is this? Hopefully I did that right. We are going to find out in about 2 seconds, aren't we? Okay, are we ready to see this little cutie? Let me get some of my brushes out of the way. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. How cute is he? So we will drill a little hole right here, and we'll put some ribbon on it. This is a 12-inch round. I'm pretty sure it's a 12-inch round. Yeah, it's a 12-inch round. Yep. And that door hanger, so Essential Stencil has bigger door hanger sets, and then they have smaller ones. He is so cute. There's a little spot right there. Gray. There we go. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you soon. Bye.